Hi everyone, welcome to WebHunter. In this video, I'll walk you through how to create a Gmail account step by step. Whether you are new to email or just want a fresh Google account, this guide is for you. Let's get started. First, open your browser and go to Gmail sign. I am writing Gmail sign. First result, click on. We have two options, personal account and business account. We are choosing personal account, so for my personal use, click on, then enter your first name and last name. This is optional. First name I am rating demos testing. Next, click on. I am choosing birthday, month, October, day, for example 10, year 2005. I am choosing mail. You can choose anything, doesn't matter, and click on next. We have two options, automatic address generated. You can choose this one, or you can create your own address. Okay, I am choosing create your own Gmail address. Demos testing 100. Okay, click next on. Create a strong password and confirm it. Click next on. Recovery email address. This is optional. Click on skip and next click and I agree. And that's it. You now have your very own Gmail account, ready to send emails, sign into apps, and more. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and leave a comment below. If you have any questions, see you in the next video.